got to know that you're very fluent with Hindi, and I think that's great. As a starter in Big Boss. So I thought that it'll be best अगर हम हिंदी में बात करें.
बिल्कुल.
So
हिंदी में बात करें.
cool. So क्यों Big Boss?
बिग बॉस एक्चुअली बहुत इट्स अ कंपटीशन और बहुत पुरानी शो है ना. अभी 10 सीजन चल रहे हैं तो इट्स वेरी आइकॉनिक ऑफ इंडियन टीवी. इट्स लाइक एन इंस्टीट्यूशन. तो एनीवे आई लाइक कॉम्पिटिशंस सो दैट्स व्हाई.
Right. So what is that one thing you will आप लेके जाने वाले हो बिग बॉस में and you think वो चीज़ गेम को चेंज करेगी और वो कुछ ऐड करने वाला है शो को? What do you think you have that?
Actually, I am not prepared at all for the show because I haven't had time to process and all that stuff because there's really not much time. But I think I will improvise and see how things go.
Right. ये season follow किया है आपने?
No. I don't have TV. I don't watch TV. I watch a couple of episodes. तो मुझे पता है कौन है इसमें, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं कौन कैसे खेल रहा है, किसकी स्ट्रेटजी कैसे आई. तो ये मुझे पता नहीं.
So आप जा रहे हो बिल्कुल clear minds and आपके दिमाग में अभी कोई there's no image of anyone.
Actually, I know Gaurav because I acted with him. He was playing my husband who was trying to kill me. So I know him a little bit, but Baki I don't have any idea. I think it's best, no? Just to go there and deal with the situation. It's like real life, no? You never know how things go.
Right. कभी पहले बिग बॉस देखा है लीना आपने? No.
मेरे पास टीवी नहीं है, मैं टीवी देखती भी नहीं हूँ.
Right. So what are you most looking forward to on the show?
I think the competitions, the tasks, and getting to know the people as well. And yeah.
You think जिस तरीके से बिग बॉस हम देखते हैं, you need grit, you need strength, then you obviously need presence of mind and then also calmness at times when things get bad.
Yeah.
So वो जो एक combination of qualities है, where do you see yourself fitting in that?
I think I've had training in that, just shooting in India, being an Indian sense, because exactly the same. It's always chaotic. You never know what happens. You have to improvise. You have to be calm. You have to be strong. So I think, but yeah, I'll see how it goes because I've never been in such a situation.
किसके साथ लगता है कि बनेगी?
ये तो पता नहीं, देखते हैं.
और ऐसा कोई जिसके साथ आपको लगता है इनसे दूर रहना चाहिए यार?
Actually, I like people, so I don't think it would be like that because I can get along with a lot of people. But हम देखते हैं. I've never been in such a situation. We'll see.
And one last thing I wanted to know. हम देखते हैं वीकेंड के वार पे सलमान हमेशा उनके बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस होते हैं with every individual. And by the end of the show, he has his own rapport with everyone. So what do you think? I mean, आपको क्या लगता है? How is that? I mean, आपका किस तरह का rapport हो सकता है with Salman?
I don't know. I've heard he likes to make fun of people, so let's see how it goes. Should be interesting.
Right, and international contestants have always been the highlights, every season. They bring something new to the show. And आपने तो obviously India में काम भी कर चुके हो. You understand the country and how system works.
Yes.
You think that being from another country ये कोई advantage होता है in a show like Big Boss?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe.
Right. And यहाँ से कहाँ what do you think? How can Big Boss how can Big Boss help you in your to further your career?
Well, it's a great platform because it's followed by so many people and people watch it. So it's a good way of people getting to know somebody. And usually you don't spend so much time on any kind of program where people get a chance to know how you actually are. So I think that'd be great. And I'm looking forward to that.
Right. Thank you so much.